Welcome to MaxFit Chronicles Unplugged Season 1. Episode 1. Countdown to the event.
आप सब सोच रहे होंगे कि हम यहाँ पे क्यों हैं और क्या रैंडमली बात करने आ गए हैं आपसे।
Well, let me tell you, we are not just here to talk to you randomly. We are here to share some insights about the event which our school will be organizing, Maxfoot Mosaic, a cultural and sports extravaganza.
Namaste, Sat Sri Akal and hello to all our listeners. We, Risha
And Nancy
are your host and host for today. We welcome you to the first episode of our very own podcast,
Maxfoot Chronicles Unplugged. In this podcast, we will take you to this wonderful journey through various clubs and what we are up to.
So Nancy, why do you think after all these years, our school has decided to bring back the activities in the year 2023?
Our routine became very monotonous. हम सब स्कूल आते थे, बैग्स लेके हेवी पढ़ाई करते थे, घर जाते थे, होमवर्क करते थे, वापस स्कूल आते थे and we repeated same. That's when our school thought and stepped in to provide us various clubs so that we can engage in them and have fun to be a part of it.
I think you're right, Nancy. The whole vision is to discover the value of unity, explore and engage, and excel in other activities of our own choice, which also helps us in improving our communication and helps us make real life connections as well.
Risha, if I talk about my personal experience, I never thought to become a journalist or even search about it. But after being a part of this club, I am coming out of my comfort zone and discovering various things with my seniors, juniors and my teachers in this club.
Absolutely right, Nancy. Well, if I talk about my experience, I got an opportunity to take on leadership roles and showcase various talents through this club activities.
Very well said, Risha. I think the whole point is to give us opportunity to participate in various activities. We also get to know various career opportunities in this club.
And the whole point was that we are having fun and value each other as well.
And we cannot wait for this event to happen.
Nancy, don't you think our listeners should know a little bit about the club activities and what our teachers had in their mind while starting these activities?
Absolutely right, Risha. Let's start with our own journalism club, which we both are part of. Our teachers not only gave us opportunity to know the various parts of journalism, but also helped us to identify and engage in print media as well as digital media. Risha, why don't you tell us about Recreational Games Club? ये नाम हमने इतना सुना है जब से क्लब स्टार्ट हुए हैं, तो ये क्या है और इसमें क्या करने वाले हैं स्टूडेंट्स?
Well, I won't be telling you exactly what the students will be performing, but I'll just give you a glimpse about the Recreational Club. The Recreational Club is completely based on critical thinking abilities, to develop their fine motor skills, to build strategies, follow rules and play games.
That's really exciting, and I'm looking forward to see what they are up to.
Wait, Nancy, अभी तो हमारे पास और भी बहुत clubs हैं, like the dance club. They are working on different dance forms, expressions, mudras.
And we are also having Art and Craft Club. They are creating variety of crafts using different materials to enhance their creative thinking and imagination. अरे theatre club भी तो रहता है ऋषा?
Oh yeah, I forgot. Well, now let's talk about the theatre club. The theatre club showcases various emotions and expressions, and they're coming up with different acts to show their parents.
Finally, we have Sports Club. And under Sports Club, we have many activities and Maxfoot Premier League.
We have many other activities under Sports Club, such as the Taekwondo Club. The students have been working for self-defense in real-life situations, and they are surely working for the physical fitness and for their strength, balance and coordination.
Lawn tennis club, skating club, cricket club, throwball club are no less. They are working on their techniques, skills and teamwork.
Then we also have the aerobics club, which is not only working on their rhythm but also on their body movements to perform for the parents.
अच्छा, पर ये इवेंट है कब? ये तो हम अपने लिसनर्स को बता दें। मुझसे तो वेट नहीं हो रहा, आई एम श्योर हमारे लिसनर्स से भी नहीं हो रहा होगा। एम आई राइट?
आई एम श्योर नैन्सी, उनसे भी वेट नहीं हो रहा होगा, बट वील हैव टू वेट. We can't reveal everything in the first episode itself. So, my dear listeners, to get more insights about the upcoming event, you'll have to wait for the further episodes of Maxford Chronicles Unplugged. We'll meet you in the next episodes. Till then,
Bye bye
and take care.